Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to download Rave on PC. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Rave on PC. So to download Rave on PC, first thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome or any browser you want. You can either use Opera or maybe Avast, Microsoft, but we're now using Google Chrome. So now, once you open up, search in Rave. There we go. After clicking on Rave, click right here at Rave, watch Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and etc. After clicking there, you'll be located here, watch together. Then click the one here, Mac. But only if you are using Mac. But if you're not, you can either download from Android, iPhone, or Windows. So right now, as you can see, we're currently using our PC, so we're gonna click on Windows. There you go. Now it's downloading right here. There you go. So once it's done downloading, so we're just gonna wait for it. And there you go. As you can see, it's done. Now just click here, show in folder. There you go. Once it's here, click on it, setup. Then it's now downloading. Installing, please wait. There you go. Wait for the installation. And there you go. Now it is installed. As you see, it now disappeared. There you go. Now it's opening up. So there you go, guys. Now it is installed in our PC. So there, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below. And there you go, guys. That's how to install it in your Windows PC. And it's the same on Mac, also iPhone and Android. But when you're using Android, you can just go Play Store. When you're using iPhone, just download it in the um, Apple Store. But if you want, you can just go to your browser in your phone, then search any one of this. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. We're happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.